In this video, I show you how to fix GCash custom ROM or unlock bootloader or GCash detected device has a custom ROM or unlock bootloader problem. For solving this problem, go to settings, then search for build number, tap on build number, continuously tap for 5 or 6 times. Now enter your lock screen, password or pin code. Now you are a developer. Now search settings again, search for developer option, tap on developer option, scroll down, find out OEM unlocking, turn off it. Now press back button one time, then turn off developer option. Now open GCash. Now I hope that this method fix GCash custom ROM or unlock bootloader problem. If this method not working for you, you have to use original phone ROM or relock bootloader.